Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not and you've been watching, then I thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. So today I'm going to be filming a hair mask. Excuse my voice, it's a little bit off. I kind of partied a little too hard a week ago and I'm still recovering, so excuse me. I'm going to be making a hair mask with this mayo. The mayo is supposed to have a bunch of proteins and healthy fatty acids that adds protein to your hair, that keeps it strong, keeps it healthy. Also, I recommend it if you're going to dye your hair or do a silk press or something like that. So I would recommend that a week or two before you do that, do a mask. Even if it's not the mayo mask, I recommend to hydrate your hair always. Give it the love and the nutrients that it needs before you add chemicals or do whatever it is that you're going to do to it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. This is actually going to be my second time doing this. I haven't did it in a while. So yep. Here we are. Let's get into it. Okay, so I did go ahead and mix up the mask. As you guys saw, I mixed in my oils, and I'm going to jump right in and put it all over my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is in a pretty decent state since the last time I washed it and clipped it. And I pretty much keep it very, very hydrated and moisturized all the time, even in a ponytail, out of the ponytail, with weave, without weave. I keep it moisturized. So yep, this is what it looks like. We're gonna do a length check in a few, I would say in about a month or so. I'm gonna blow dry it out so you guys can see, so we can see. So we can see how long it's gotten. I'm gonna divide my hair into two sections. Now y'all, I do wanna be honest. I do have to say, man, this mask, this mayo mask does not smell good. It doesn't. I kind of was having second thoughts on continuing this video or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it because first of all, I'm not wasting my oils. Let's be real. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I have nothing to lose at this point. And the worst case scenario, I don't like the mask. I'm gonna just wash the smell thoroughly out of my hair, but we're gonna see. It's been a while since I did a mayo mask, some years. So I don't really remember what it felt like after. But yeah, so I'm gonna go real quick and put it all over my hair. I'm impressed. And just so y'all can see the difference between this side versus this side. And I purposely didn't add any water, you know, just so I could actually get all the juices and all the oils from the mayo. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to this side. And I'm gonna be right back. I was definitely talking a little too soon about what I'm not gonna be doing because baby, mayo who? Went ahead and put it all over my hair, as you guys can see. And I'm going to go ahead and tie it up with a bag. And I'm also going to put my heat protectant shower cap over it. And I'm going to be right back. Yep, so I got my bag over. I'm going to take my shower cap so I can sit it in as if I'm under the dryer or doing like a deep conditioning. Yep. So here we have it. I'm gonna sit in this for about a half an hour, an hour. I'll update y'all when I come back, but I can say that so far, this mayo is surprising me in a good way. My hair feels so good. It was so easy to detangle too when I was just putting the cream, putting the mask through, putting the mayo through my fingers and through my hair. It was already easy. So I'm loving the way that it feels so far. But I want to see what it does, you know, once it sits for a little while. And I will update you guys, of course, but so far so good. I'm sure y'all noticed that at the beginning of the video, I took out the eggs. First of all, I was debating whether I was going to use the eggs or not. And once I started cracking it and it was giving me a hard time, I just backed out completely. I had a heart for it. So I let it go. And I'm happy that I did because mayo has eggs in it anyway. So it's gonna do what it does. I added my oils. So we're good to go. If you guys are enjoying my videos, don't forget to show y'all girls some love. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know how y'all be feeling or how y'all feeling in any of my videos. So I'm back. It's been 1 hour and 20 minutes to be exact. Go ahead and remove this. Oh my God. I mean, I think my hair is speaking for itself. Wow, so yeah, I was wrong. I was wrong, and I am not afraid to admit it. I was wrong, and this mask was the bomb. Triple calm. Yes, look at this. So yeah, I love it. So far so good. I'm gonna rinse all of this out, try to get the smell out as much as possible, and I'm gonna be back. But I can say right here, right now, try this at home. Do it. It's worth it. My hair feels good. It feels good. Like, it feels good. So here we are. As you can see, my hair is still dripping, but I love it. My hair feels good. Even my curls are more defined. Yes, I love it. I love it. Highly recommend it. My hair feels so good. Even just feels so much softer. It feels so soft. So I would be done, but I'm gonna put some of my deep conditioner in. I don't want no funny smelling hair. I don't want to be smelling like mayo. I feel like I got it out. It smells good, but just to be safe and just to make sure the smell is all gone, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put that in, put my ponytail together, and that's about it, guys. So yeah, I did my ponytail for bed, put my castor oil on my edges, which I'm gonna tie down. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I definitely recommend this mask. I know I was talking my shit, but turns out it was worth it, and that's why I did it years ago. Also, stay tuned. I have so many more exciting things that I'm going to be sharing on my channel alongside, you know, my hair, skin. My name is Naatia. It means the beauty of Ya. So everything related to beauty, anything that has to do with the beauty and the creation of the creator, I'm all about that and I'm all for it. So I know some things about a lot of things, and some of y'all may know, some may not, but I'm sharing. Yep. Thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.